So we've been kind of AWOL the last few days because I've been down on the south coast visiting friends and family and getting some epic tattoo work done. It has massively taken it out of me. So by the time we arrived in London earlier today, that was it. It knocked me out. We had to have a nap and oh god, I just was feeling awful afterwards, which makes me feel really old. But there we go. That's my own stupidity for having 3 tattoos done in 2 days. Anyway, once we kind of woke up and we were ready to go, we headed over to the Peckhamplex, which is one of our favourite places to go because you can go and see any film for £4.99. Bargain! Why not? And then after that, we headed down to the Four Quarters. Now, we went here because Leo, last time we were there, got the high score on Metal Slug, and he wanted to see if he still had the high score on Metal Slug. Unfortunately, someone has beaten him. So we sat and had some food. They have a vegetarian vegan menu. So we started off with the corn dog and the sea bombs. They also have burgers. Oh, I didn't even look at the burgers because at this point, while I was feeling a lot better, yeah, I wasn't quite up to that much food. The corn dogs were amazing. They come with sauerkraut and pickles. They were really, really good, I've got to say, especially for the price. And that's the sea bombs, which are like beer battered cauliflower in a sweet chili barbecue sauce. And there you go, that's the inside of the corn dog, as you would expect. But it was really, really good. Back to the sea bombs, I love that they're called sea bombs. You get them covered with sesame seeds as well, and also some lime to go on top. And I've got to say, the lime makes it kind of very special. They were really, really good. So after, refueling with a pint and some food, he went back to play his Metal Slug. Everything here, as the name says, runs on quarters. So they do have a machine that you can get some proper American quarters, or you can get them behind the bar. Depends if you want to use the machine or not. And there you go. They've got a range of machines, so you can play all kinds of things. But he was trying to win his honour back. Unfortunately, today was not his day. So if we've got time tomorrow, we may go back. And to make up for it, we tried the wings. So there you've got it. That was our first kind of afternoon in London. There will be more tomorrow. So don't forget to subscribe. Check us out on Patreon for some extra videos. And we will see you tomorrow.